The works of Iwori Meyi in the sky, Ejì-kòkò Ìwòrì, made divination for the sun, the moon, and the darkness. His title in the sky was Kapao Yakata. He made divination for the sun, the moon, and the darkness when they were coming into the world. In Yoruba, the sun is called Ojo, the moon is called Osupa, and the darkness is called Okuku. He advised the three siblings to make sacrifices in the following manner. The sun should sacrifice with a bunch of brooms, white cloth, white rooster, and a white hen. The moon should sacrifice with red cloth, a brown rooster, and a brown hen. The darkness should sacrifice with black cloth, a black rooster, and a black hen. He advised them to make sacrifices so that the people of the world could honor and respect them, but more especially so that people could not look at them disdainfully. The most important thing was that the sacrifice was meant to give them power and energy, which would make them indispensable wherever they went. The moon said that he was too appreciated and popular to worry about any sacrifice. The darkness said that he was already endowed with the right traits to demand respect and fear wherever he went. He also refused to make any sacrifice. The sun was the only one who made sacrifice. However, earlier the moon had made sacrifice for love, which is why people are happy when they see the new moon. After making the sacrifice, the sun was given the bunch of brooms with which he had sacrificed so that he could always have it in his hand, with the advice that he should point it at the face of anyone who dared to look him directly in the eye. These are the sun's rays that dazzle the eyes of anyone who tries to look him directly in the face. Nonetheless, he is admired because the heat he generates is used for a variety of purposes throughout the planetary system. Nobody cares much about the darkness, and it is not used for any tangible purpose because it did not make a sacrifice. For the same reason, the moon is only admired, but is neither feared like the sun nor used for productive purposes.